Hello everyone. A few days back, OpenAI rolled out a new feature to ChatGPT, scheduled tasks for users with a paid Plus, Pro, or Teams subscription. This feature allows ChatGPT to run specific tasks automatically at scheduled times, even if you're not actively using it. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up, modify, and manage your scheduled tasks efficiently. So let's get right into it. To get started, select ChatGPT with scheduled tasks from the drop down model menu at the top. Once selected, simply enter a prompt that includes both the action you want ChatGPT to perform and the schedule you want it to follow. For example, you can type, "Give me a daily briefing on AI news at 9 a.m." Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will confirm the task and add it to your chat. At this point, you might also see a request asking for a notification permissions. I will go ahead and click allow. We will talk more about notifications in a bit. The task is now set up and will run at the specified time even if you're not online. It's like setting an alarm clock, but instead of waking you up, it just does your work for you. Now, if only it could also make coffee. Once you have set up a task, you might need to make changes. There are two ways to modify a task. The first one is to update it directly in the chat where you created it. Simply type a new prompt with changes. For example, change my AI news briefing to 8 a.m. instead of 9 a.m. ChatGPT will automatically update the task and confirm the changes. Another way is through the tasks menu. Click on your profile icon at the top, select tasks from the pop up menu. You will see a list of all your scheduled tasks. Hover over a task and click the pencil icon to edit it. Here, you can rename the task, modify instructions, or adjust the schedule. You can also pause or delete the task. Pause keeps the task in your list but stops it from running. Delete removes the task permanently. This gives you complete control over when and how your tasks run. Once you have set up a task, you might not always be around when it runs. That's why ChatGPT offers notifications. When a scheduled task runs, ChatGPT can send you a push notification and an email notification. This way, you will always know when a task has been completed even if you're not actively using ChatGPT at the time. To enable or disable notifications, click on your profile icon, select Settings, choose Notifications, turn notifications on or off for push notifications and email notifications. Here's what the email notification looks like when a task runs. Clicking the View Message button takes you straight to ChatGPT, where you can check the task's response in the chat. While ChatGPT can be a game changer for automating reminders, updates, and repetitive actions, they do come with a few limitations. Here's what you need to keep in mind. Right now, you can't create tasks using voice input. So if you're hoping to say, "Hey ChatGPT, remind me to check stock prices daily," you will have to type it out instead. Tasks cannot process uploaded files like documents, spreadsheets, or images. If you have created or used custom GPTs, tasks won't be able to interact with them. One of the biggest constraints is that you can only have 10 active tasks at any time. If you hit the limit, you will need to pause or delete an existing task before creating a new one. This feature is still in beta, so it's likely that more improvements will come in the future. Hopefully, we will see features like voice activation and an increased task limit soon. If you found it useful, Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have been using ChatGPT tasks, let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.